As an African mom, whenever there is no soup in the freezer and you've not made preparation for soup, it will be as if there is no food at home. Who else experiences this? Okay, this was my case on the 4th of December 2021. So in fact, I woke up and I had to go get water that I left in the boot because I was so tired last night I couldn't bring it out. Okay, then from there I went straight to get vegetables that I'll use in preparing the next soup. Welcome back again to my channel, guys. It's your girl Helen Konko as usual. You don't know, this is bitter leaf. I usually plug it, come up here where the sun usually reflects in my house and dry it. Then the next day I wash it up and use it to prepare bitter leaf soup. Guys, meanwhile I need to prepare for work because I'm on morning shift this Saturday morning.
Many hours later,
I just closed from work right now. I'm about leaving. Okay, look at me. I'm about leaving to the market to get the ingredients I'll use to bring you guys Afiko soup, which is Ofe Sarara. From there, I will go for house hunting, land hunting, then back home.
road was bad initially. Wow. This is beautiful.
Coming out from this filling station, I went straight to stadium. It was then I noticed that this road has been fixed. I just decided to leave it so that you guys can watch it. This road is a link between Enugu Abakaliki Expressway and Onwe Road. Like I told you guys, Abakaliki has a lot of connecting road. That's why the rate of hold up is not high in Ebonyi State. So this is a Udensi roundabout, and I'm heading to Oruta Nwangele Stadium. Okay, it is there I saw table tennis. I never believe I can still play. Guys, rate my skills, rate me. Sometimes winning again is not how skilled you are, but how lucky you are. Okay, the person I'm waiting for is here, so let me go join him immediately. So in case you don't know, this is Oruta Nwangele Stadium. Okay, looking for a place to relax in Ebonyi, just to walk around. Here is one. Okay, they sell fish, different things. You can just relax in the evening, play games, and then rest.
I
just came in. I'm so tired. Need to get my clothes off and rest. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, click the like button and subscribe to this wonderful channel. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching Helen's Canal.